Today I want to demonstrate why I like these sponges so much. These are called magic sponges. Basically, it does what it says on the tin. They simply make any marks or scuffs on your paintwork disappear. Simply wet the sponge, rinse, and gently rub with the sponge the mark or scuff, and you'll see it disappear in front of your eyes. You can purchase these sponges on the internet. eBay is a place you can buy them. They're just less than £10 for 100. Good bargain. Anyway, I'm here to demonstrate how to clean the grime and dirt and years of dust off your walls and ceilings to make them look freshly painted. For this demonstration, we're going to need some soapy water, one of the magic sponges, and a dry cloth. So the first thing we need to do is wet the magic sponge in the soapy water, rinse out your sponge, and now we head towards the ceiling to give it a clean. As you can see, this is the area I've already cleaned, and this is the bit I'm going to show you on the demonstration. It will take a couple of cleans. As you can see, the filth that this picks up. We'll now put this in the soapy water, rinse out, and start again. So, rinse out the sponge in the soapy water, taking out all the dirt and grime. And clean again. So, as you can see, it's beginning to get clean up. You may need to do this 3-4 times to get it exactly how you need to. Just give it a gentle rub like that to get any stubborn stains off. So again, I shall rinse out my dirty sponge. So, rinsing out the sponge again. Now, with my final attempt with the sponge to what I want to get it to, it's clean enough. And then finish off with the dry cloth to get rid of any excess water and grime, and there you have it. Nice clean piece of ceiling against the dirty one. Now for the walls. This part of the wall has already been cleaned, and now I'm going to clean this section. I have already wet my sponge and I am ready to go. I like these sponges because they are quick and easy to use, with no chemicals, and produce fantastic results. The sponge works its magic and the grime disappears. As you can see with the sponge, it is filthy. So I will now give this a rinse out. So I've done my sponge again. I've put it in some very liquid water and giving it another little scrub with the sponge, and you can see the grime disappearing. Depending on how dirty the walls and ceilings are, will depend on how many times you have to do it. Sometimes you might only have to do it twice, sometimes it might have to be 4 times.
But on this occasion, I think that just a couple of goes with the sponge should be sufficient. And finally, just with the dry cloth, drying off any excess water and getting rid of any excess grime, and there you have it. That's the difference between the dirt and grime and years of dust to looking like a freshly painted wall.
And finally, I just wanted to show you the colour of the water after that small demonstration on the little area that I cleaned on the walls and ceilings. As you can see, it's fairly filthy, and that was on the walls and ceilings. Thank you for watching.